I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest, tastiest chips or fries baked in the oven. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Who doesn't love fries, or chips as we call them in the UK? We're going to bake these fries in the oven, no need to par-cook them or soak or anything like that. So let's get cooking. We're going to preheat the oven to 200C or 400F. Brush a large metal baking tray with a tablespoon of oil. Take 700 grams or 1.5 pounds of floury potatoes and cut them into strips that are about 1 centimetre or 3/8 of an inch thick and place them in a bowl. We're going for rustic skin on fries, so no need to peel. Sprinkle the sliced potatoes with a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch and toss together to coat evenly. Then transfer to the oiled baking tray. Sprinkle on 1/2 teaspoon each of salt, pepper and paprika, and then drizzle on 3 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together with your hands so the chips are fully coated in the oil. Arrange the chips in a single layer on the tray, trying to ensure they're not touching too much. And then cover that tray with a piece of foil that's been greased with a little bit of oil. Place in the oven for 10 minutes before removing the foil. We're cooking the potatoes in the foil first, as this helps to par-cook the chips in their own steam, which means they'll be lovely and fluffy and tender on the inside by the time they reach that perfect golden crispness on the outside. After 10 minutes, remove the foil and cook for a further 10 minutes. Then turn the fries over using a spatula and cook for a final 5 to 10 minutes until golden brown and crisp. It's really important that you use a non-stick tray when you're baking these chips, as the starch on the potatoes will make those chips want to stick to the tray. If you're not sure whether your tray's non-stick, then simply line your tray with non-stick tin foil. Then transfer the chips to a serving dish. That's how to make fantastic oven-baked crispy chips. They go perfectly with my buttermilk fried chicken, and I've also been known to serve them up with my homemade lasagna, so be sure to check out those recipes. See you next time.